Her sinking. It is pretty. Not that way, little leaf. We're going this way. Come on. Come on. We're not going back yet, goat. Come on. Apollo, come on, leave it. Come on. Come on, little leaf. She's just giving up. Hey, goat. Come on. Come on. Louisiana campgrounds. They are by you. There her is. What's going on? It's her ear there. Oh, her got it. Okay, come on. Come on, Sunshine. Let the big girl go.
Don't make us look bad. You know?
Don't look you. No, no way.
She's gonna post and be like, "These people are fags."
Look how cool it is. It's the purple one. My favorite color. Oh my goodness, it's big. I didn't think they were that big. This is gonna be cool. Told you I was nerding out. It's like a bucket list thing. I grew up in the Pacific Northwest. Look, it's a baby. I want to hold it, but will you film me holding it? I don't know if this is a bad idea.
Grab him around his neck.
You guys want to see him?
Okay. Oh, he's so cute. Look at.
Dude, that's awesome.
Poor little guy. How adorable are they when they're just tiny? He's so cute. And it's little noises.
Did he?
They're so cute. He's definitely a little scared. Aww.
Yeah, I won't.
Legs.
Once I find something somewhere, you know. The only thing I ever lost was about 5 years ago. I found a bumblebee nest.
Okay.
Usually don't never make that much noise. What is wrong with you?
Calling his mom.
Aww.
Good? Ow, 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 ow. But now they got pressure sensors right inside their jaws, folks. So when something swims past them or walks past them, they will automatically snap their jaws over to the left or the right to catch their food underneath the water. All right? And they got 3 eyelids. They have an eyelid that goes from the top to the bottom to the top, and that clear eyelid that goes side to side. It's called a nectator membrane. They use that so they can see this murky water, so nothing don't poke him in his eyes when he's swimming around and whatnot as well. Yeah, he's being feisty. That's crazy. And they got 80 teeth as well, 40 on the top and 40 on the bottom. And you go through about 2,000 to 3,000 teeth in their lifespan as well, too young. And their bite force, a little guy like this might be like 20 pounds. A full-grown owlet could be 2,000 to 3,000 pounds of snapping force biting down. Now you see how you can't see down his throat?
Bless you.
Yeah. He has a flap that's in his throat. Watch, he might.
Ah.
All right.
Oh, he doesn't like that.
Aww.
He can close his throat, his ears right behind his eyes. He can close his ears.
Best place to hang out in town.